So today this caught my eye, Toyota Yaris GR Sport. Because this is the Toyota Yaris GR, but it's the 1.5, 130 brake horsepower, front wheel drive, hybrid Yaris GR. Not the GR4 that I looked at the other day. Go and have a look at them videos. I looked at the new GR4 with the new clock set. And then I spotted this, and you know what happens when something catches your smile. I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. Because this is the most expensive spec Toyota Yaris you can get, apart from obviously the GR4. In terms of hybrid, the Premier is slightly cheaper. This is like 28.6. I think the Premier is 28.2. But this paint, Candy Flare, is the most expensive paint. £605 with the black cap. So you're paying $29.4 for this spec. So come on, let's have a look at it. So straight away you'll see it's got the more sporty wheels with the 40 profile tyres, 18-inch. Diamond cut front, black inserts with a little red dash that goes all the way around, which really goes well on this Candy Flare Red. Of course, red being Toyota's signature colourway. So come on, let's have a look inside. Let's see what we get for our money. Very bright today. You know I love mentioning the sun, but yeah, look how bright it is. I looked at a Toyota Corolla the other day actually, and it had the embossed. It didn't have the red GR logo, because this has got the GR logo down there and here. And this was the other thing. On the Corolla, you didn't have GR on the steering wheel. Also, the other thing on the Corolla, you didn't get a GR key, whereas on the Yaris, you get 2 GR keys. Has a start-stop button just down there. You press that. I said it's very bright. You can see that sun reflecting. Doesn't have a GR screen like the actual GR4 does, but come on, do you really need that? Let's have a little look at this. We'll go to English. Don't link now, continue. And you can see it's got very nice infotainment. Almost edge to edge. What we got in here, your music, enable auto, Bluetooth, trip info, energy flow, tells you how you're going with your battery. What else we got down here? Web browser and notifications. You'll see on the infotainment, the sensors pick up and come up actually on the screen. So if you start, like I'm quite close to in front now, so it starts telling me I'm close here. And then if you don't want to see that, you can just click that and it goes off. And you get obviously back to the nav, or you can then go reverse. I mean, come on, look at the size of that and how clear that is. Very good. And let's have a look down here. I'll tell you what I did notice, it's got Nano X. So it adds a little bit of moisture. So air conditioning can sometimes dry you out a bit. So the Nano X, sorry, I put my hand in front of it, then trying to stop that sunlight. Nano X adds a bit of moisture to stop you from feeling a little bit, you know, when you're on long journeys, you feel a bit jet lag because the aircon's dried you out. It adds a little bit of moisture so you feel refreshed, sort of like nourishes your hair and skin. As always, the Toyota Yaris hybrid drives so quiet, as you can hear me, and you can hear the ASMR movements on the steering wheel. Great cars to drive. And especially now with that nano air conditioning, you can just sit in these and drive for hours and not feel tired. Just get there refreshed. What's not to like? What we got down here, we've got a little AC adapter down there. We've got a little power adapter and then a connector there. Obviously on an auto box, 130 brake horsepower. Put your modes here, EV mode, drive mode, traction off. Not sure why you'd want that. Not on a front wheel drive hybrid. So let's jump, and I'll have a look in the back in a sec. Let's have a look at these seats. Kind of like a suede with a pleather. I've got it in my, have a look at my other videos. I've got a RAV4 with the sports pleather. And it doesn't get cold in the winter and it doesn't get hot in the summer. It's very good. So let's have a look. It's got that very nice GR steering wheel. As mentioned, all your modes. Has little tweeters in the A-pillar. Not JBLs, but it has tweeters all the same. So you don't usually get that, so that's a good thing. Mirror there, but not illuminated. Mirror there, not illuminated as well. And then over here, you've got the SOS button. Like I've mentioned before, you press that. It calls emergency services, pinpoints your locations. They ask you what service you require, which is a very good thing to have. Auto dimming mirror. Also with that, on your My Toyota app, you can set it up so you know where your car is. So if you lose it in car parks like me, you'll be able to find it, which is pretty cool. So we'll have a look in the back. Never going to be a load of leg room in these little cars, but it's acceptable, isn't it? Very well trimmed in the back. Struggling with the light today, struggling with the light. We'll have a look in the boots, see if it's any different. Not quite high, you'll think, of this, but then it's good for a dog to jump in, because under here is a faux area where you've got a GR mat on top of another boot tray where you can put a space saver spare wheel, or it comes with an inflation kit. Top tether seat, 60-40 split. No electric tailgates on these model Yaris, but you obviously don't need it. It's not very big, is it? Look at that, it's tiny. But yeah, it was just a quick flick to show you, because I've not seen it. Like I said before, I've never seen the GR, non-GR4 in candy flare, two-tone black roof. It's windy, there's cars going by, but I'll filter out the noise. You should be able to hear me all right. What do you reckon? $29,400 it's going to cost you. But it is the ultra reliable 1.5, 130 brake horsepower front wheel drive. As mentioned, this candy flare with the black roof combo comes at $605. You can get it in all colours, so you won't get the black roof, but you can get it in black, silver, grey, or juniper blue for free, all in one colour. But it's 305 quid if you want to put a cap on it, or if you want the pearl white or this candy flare, it's 605. You pay another 300 on top with the 300 for the roof. So yeah, but I think that really works. The red with the red flashes in the wheel, obviously the red lights, just looks really nice, doesn't it? Really like that. Stunning little car. So if you found the video of use, please do give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel immensely, and I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this that catches my eye, and I'll take you on a book in 4K to have a look. I'll also link at the end the GR4 that I looked at the other day. Go and have a look at that, and you'll see the difference between this, because on the back of the GR4 they've got a light bar now that goes across, which I was hoping they'd bring it in on the rest of the range, because it looks so good. As yet, no, I mean, the back end on this does, I mean, come on, that does look good anyway. But with a light bar on the back, does look really, really good. But yeah, you have a great day. Sun's still shining, unbelievably. I'll see you again soon.